Okay, friends. Here, one of our friend asked this query that if we are having 1,000 plus data, okay, 1,000 plus data with and small letters and capital letters. So he wants to convert all capital letters into small. Okay, so how is it possible? First of all, think that how is it possible? Okay, now, and everyone is thinking that why don't you use a filter function? Okay, we'll try that one also. Control Shift L. So it will pick up. See, if I'll do see Excel. See, small letters will also appear. So we want to appear only the capital letters, and we have to convert into a small letters, all capital. Okay. So like this, it is there. From a data, he picked up the data from the website. So like it is there. So he wants to convert all capitals into smalls. Let's see how we will do. Okay. Clear by values. Text filter also does not equal begins with ends with. It will not work, guys. If you want, you can check it. It's not a case sensitive. Okay, it's not a case sensitive. Now see the magic. First of all, we will find which one is the upper value. Okay, first of all, we will find which one is the lower value. Lower or upper, whichever we want, you can find it out by using exact function. Exact lower of this, comma this. So it is what exact will do. Okay, it will check exactly what it is. Okay, if I first of all, what I did, exact is expecting it two things: small a, big A. Okay, it is expecting it two things, comma this one. So it will give you the false. Both are A's, but it will give you the false. When you convert this into capital A, then it will give you the true. Okay, this function I will use over there. Okay, so what I'll do, first of all, I'll convert all things into lower. Okay, F9, so it will become all lowers. Control enter and double click. Okay, it's already populated, the highlighted and populated. Now F2. Now what I'll do, exact of this, comma this. It is as it is. Okay, it is as it is, capital letters only here. Okay, I'll close parenthesis and I'll show you F9. Like that only. Here it will become a lower. F9. Okay. So it will show you the falses. Some values will show the true and some value will show the falses. Control enter. Okay. Okay. See, all falses and truths are there. So we are interested in falses because we have to convert all capital letters into small. Either you do like this or you can do like this. Nothing will happen. Control enter. See. But before doing, please check whether which one you need. Okay. We need all capital letters. So you have to convert all capital letters into small lower levels or small letters. So we have to take it out only the capital letters, right? Okay, now it's okay. I'll remove this filter from here. Let this one, Control Shift L. It's not yet over, guys. This is the beginning. Okay, it's not yet over. Here is the main thing you have to do. Now filter with only true. True. Okay, it will come all capital letters. Now, what you have to do, if it is more than data, 1,000 plus data, he's saying he's having 1,000 plus data. Okay, it's a better way. I searched it, this is the better way. And I gave the solution within span of 5 minutes. Only by thinking. Okay, now what you'll do, just convert this into lower by using this. Okay, don't copy as it is. If it is, I'm using 2016, for that reason it can understand. Before 2016, what it will happen, it will, as we filter it, right? So it will change the between the numbers from 2 to 5. If you are having any values, 2 to 5, 6, 3, 4, 6, all values will change. Okay, so for that reason, what you'll do, first of all, select this whole thing, Alt semicolon to highlight only the visible cells, highlighting only the visible cells by using Alt semicolon. So it will highlight all those things. Okay, first of all, then what you'll do, Control D. So it will convert all small letters. Okay, Control C. It will highlight only the visible cells. Okay, while copying here, what you'll do, same procedure, Alt semicolon, Control Alt V, and go to values by pressing V. Go to values by pressing V. It won't work on multiple. Okay, already we are selected here. Alt semicolon, Control down arrow, Control Alt V, values. Okay, I have not selected properly, I think so. Control Z, Z, okay. I have not selected properly. Control C, escape, Alt semicolon, Control Alt V, values. It has to come actually. Okay, let off. Control Alt V, values. Why it's not coming here? It has to come actually. It is taking between values, guys. See, it is taking between. We should not take that one and highlight these things. Or else you do one thing. Instead of doing all those things, you do one thing. Instead of doing all those things, equal to this. Okay? Because it is only converted to lower. Okay? Control Enter. What's happening? Why? What's happening? Okay, the formula is okay. So what you'll do here, formulas, remove that one. Precedent, remove precedents. Okay. So what you'll do here, convert this into values. It's all formula. Control Z. What happening? Remove errors. Here Excel capital letters. Excel. Okay. First of all, convert this into values by pressing Control Alt V, values. Control C, Control Alt V, values. You can't paste this because the copy area is not the same size. Okay. Actually, it will come Control V. It won't be multiple selection. What happening here? Control V. Okay. Control Alt V. Sorry, it will come. It has to come. Alt V. We are converting values. I don't know why it's not coming over there. It has to come actually. The procedure is right. I don't know why it's not coming. We are unable to convert this into values also. Values. If you convert into values, it's better. I'll check over here what it is. Text. No, it's not there. Only one method, home. Paste also not there. Control C. You have to paste it. Control C. Control V. Okay. Control control, I'll do one thing. Copy. I'll move here. I'll let go the mouse. Yes. Okay, actually this is the formula. So it is coming formula from here. So for that it is not accepting this one. Okay. So what you'll do, Control C, it has to come actually. Control C, Control Alt V, values. It has to come, guys. I don't know why it's not coming. The procedure is right. Formulas, values, format values, format, paste, copy. That's why it is not pasting over here because, okay. What I'll do, just I'll copy this one from here. I'll move aside. Copy here. But it has to come over here also. I don't know why it's not coming. It has to come. It will come actually. It will come because formulas are there. I'll do one thing. So insert this one. What happening? This one. Be done on multiple range selection. Test single range and try again. This is the right procedure, guys. I don't know why it's not pasting over here. It will paste. Control C. Control Alt V. Only paste is formulas. Let's see. Okay, Control Z. Control Alt V. I'll do it once again. Okay, guys. This is the procedure, guys. Copy and convert this into values. Okay, I'll right click. Paste special. Where is paste special? First of all, I have to copy. Copy. Right click. Why it's not coming over here after typing also? Will paste special, formulas, values. So select this one. Now convert this into values. Paste as a values. Why it's not coming? I'm unable to understand this one. It has to come. Okay, it has to come. Control C. Do remaining. Control Alt V. It has to come actually. I don't know why it's not coming. I think some blanks over in between. For that it's not coming. Let's remove the filters. Some blanks or something will be there. See, all are small letters. So the blanks are there. For that it is stopped over there only. Okay. So again you have to do. Some blanks will be there. See, we copied still here. While pasting, it is stopping over there only. Because some blanks are in right side. So it's unable to find it out the values. Okay. It is thinking that they, in the right side of the cell, is there any value? But there is no other values. There is the empty cells. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. And I'll give you one, this one. Okay. Let's try. Let's see how many will try. And if anybody wants to join in my Telegram group, I will mention a group link below in this description video. So just go over there and click. And just I want to see here some values are there. So what I want like this. First letter should be capital. Remaining are all falses. Okay. And next session I will explain you this how you have to do this one. Okay. This is the thing. And next session you have to tell me, is it possible? Can we do it or not? Without using flash fill function. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. I'm signing off, Rajnikant, Excel Guru.